Hi, I'm Michael Kugler. I'm an attorney here at Searcy, Denney, Scarola, Barnhart, and Shipley. I'm asked by a lot of people, what is product liability and what is that area of law? Product liability is when a manufacturer puts a product out in the market for consumers to use that doesn't perform as the manufacturer promised it would perform. In products liability, you have two types of product defects that cause injury or death. You have design defects, which means that you either designed your product to be defective because you put a design in that can cause injury, or you didn't put something in or a fail-safe in your product that would otherwise cause injury. The other type of product liability is manufacturing defects. And manufacturing defects are when the product is designed properly, but something in the manufacturing process went wrong, so your product doesn't operate as it's intended to operate when it goes out in the market. A classic example of a manufacturing defect is a drug that is produced by a manufacturer, and for whatever reason specific to that drug, there is a contaminant that is produced within it. So whether it's a pill or it's something as simple as an IV. If there's a contamination in there, then it's going to cause injury when that goes out into the market. And that's a classic manufacturing defect. The example of a design defect that most people know is the Ford Pintos. And the Ford Pinto was putting a gas tank in the rear of a vehicle in a position where if that vehicle is in a crash, it's going to cause injury because of where the gas tank is. And so the Ford, the manufacturer in that circumstance, made an economic decision that it was better for them to pay and deal with any lawsuits than to change the design of their vehicle. Ultimately, that cost-benefit analysis is what all manufacturers go through. And unfortunately, they're not fulfilling their responsibility to customers to make safe products.